Hi guys, how was your day? Good? My name is Pandemade Aditya Yogantara, number 30, class from 12 Science 5. Today, I will show you how to make a traditional snack from Bali, which is easy to make and the ingredients is easy to find. The name is TIMUS. TIMUS we can call with cassava, which is filled with palm sugar in the middle. So keep watching and let's make. So guys, the ingredients and the tools that we need is 1 kilos of clean cassava, 250 grams clean coconut meat without the skin, and then food coloring, a teaspoon sea salt, and instant thick coconut milk, 250 grams of palm sugar, banana leaves, and also bamboo prick. And the tool is big spoon, a grater, and a spoon and food container. First step, grate all cassava and coconut meat. Second step, add all ingredients, sea salt, and then food coloring. I use a green color, just a little bit, and then a pack of coconut milk, after that mix well. Next step, prepare the banana leaves, put the cassava, scoop about 1 spoon, and then palm sugar in the middle, and cover back with cassava, and then roll until it feels solid. And don't forget to lock with your bamboo prick. And last step, steam it about 25 until 30 minutes. Well, TIMUS is ready to serve. It's chewy, yummy, and palm sugar is melt in your mouth. You can enjoy it with your tea or your coffee in the morning. It's better eaten when it's cold. Okay guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and give me thumbs up. See you.